Story 7. One who had for a considerable time not seen his friend asked him where he had been and said he had been longing. He replied, to be longing is better than to be satisfied. Well, depends on the context, because obviously longing leads you to do things, right? Thou hast come late, O intoxicated idol. We shall not soon let go thy skirt from the hand. He who sees his sweetheart at long intervals is after all better off than if he sees too much of her. When thou comest with friends to visit me, although thou comest in peace, thou art attacking. If my sweetheart associates one moment with strangers, it wants but little, and I die of jealousy. She said, smiling, I am the lamp of the assembly of Sa'adi. What is it to me if a moth kills itself? Now, of course, one of the things that can relate to that is that, you know, it's not just a jealousy thing, it's a safety thing. If you're talking about people having affairs or cheating or whatever you want to call it. So the assembly of worshipers and their light. If there's problems with the person, let them be there. If they're not, if there's not the problems, you notice the person, let them just totally merge. Because, and obviously, we don't know. And Islam, and by and large, Sufism has gone to this lengths to be a path that if you're capable of something, you can do it. None of this group of people deciding that you're not worthy to enter this building, and no.